Team Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So in today's video, I'm here to do another unboxing. I picked up a new camera. On one of my videos, I also show you guys when I picked up the vlogging camera, the Sony ZV-E10 if I'm not mistaken. I picked up that camera and I actually like the camera, but for the fact that the lens is not, you cannot change, the lens is not changeable. And so I had to return the camera. The lens is not changeable and I wanted something that I can actually change the lens and put something else. So I decided to pick another one. I already have the Sony 6400. This is what I use when I sit down to do my beauty videos. Sometimes I use my phone, but if you guys see me with a tutorial with a blurry background, this is the camera I use. And I use the lens I use is the 8.1/5. I'm not really a tech girl, so this lens give me a blurry background when I am filming. So I love this. When I purchased this camera, actually I purchased this with the kit lens, but with the kit lens you see everything that happens in the background and I really didn't like it. So therefore I went ahead and purchased a different lens that when I'm filming it gave me like this really nice blurry background, because in my house I don't really have a special room where I sit to film. Sometimes I sit here, sometimes I'm in the bed in the living room, sometimes I'm just around everywhere in the house where I find comfortable to film, and I want to have that blurry background. So that's the reason why I pick up this lens, and I really love this camera. I don't know 100% yet how to use this properly, but for the one or two ways that I know, I loved it. The only thing with this camera is the screen is flipped up like this. It doesn't come from the side, so it's not a really handy camera to vlog with, but I like it to sit down and film videos. I really like it. Most time I use my phone, sometimes I use my camera. When it comes to editing, my phone is much more faster. You can just film on your phone and edit it easy. With this one you have to put the file on the laptop and then sit down, and then it's a whole process. So that's why most time I use my phone, but I use this a lot to take pictures. Follow me on my Instagram, you guys see pictures. Me and my girls, we like going out. Sunday after church I'll go out with the girls and we use it to take pictures, and I really loved it. But I've used this once before when I purchased it to do vlog. I really love the quality, just that the screen is just on the top area and it's very hard for me to like. I don't like the setup. I prefer the screen to be on the side. So this is the reason why I picked up the Sony ZV-E10 camera, and I use it for one or two videos. I really didn't like it, honestly speaking. I return it back. I return it and I'm like, okay, let me just wait a little bit and I'll pick up the ZV-10 if I'm not mistaken. So I just purchased that one and it comes. But this one I only purchased the body because I already have the kit lens here, so there was no need for me to purchase another kit lens with it. So I only purchased the body of the camera. So the camera is here. Let's do an unboxing. So definitely I'm going to be using this one to vlog most of the time now. My vlogging, I might use my phone still, because like I said, the editing process is much more easier when you're on the phone. So this is the Sony ZV-E10, yes, and I only purchased the body. With this one you have the flip out screen. That's one thing I love about this one. So this is what the camera look like. I'm not really a tech girl, so this is just pure me unboxing and showing you guys the camera. Do I have something here to open it? This is just me pure unboxing, showing you guys the camera, and then later on I'm going to go on YouTube to look for tutorials on how to set it up and all of that. So this is just pure unboxing. This is just pure unboxing. Oops. Okay, you have this €100, so you can get €100 back. You can get €100 back, and this is what it looks like. I have extra batteries. I have 2 extra batteries for this camera, so that's really nice. Oh, with this one it comes with much more gadgets. With this one I bought it, it didn't came with this one. We don't have this charger connector in Holland, so this one is pretty good. You have the Sony, you get some batteries. What do you have here? Is it, oh, there's the charger head. Okay, it's different. And this is the battery. So now I have 3 batteries. Hopefully they all use the same battery. So now I have 3 batteries, which are really, really good. You have the charger, and you have, I think this is the noise resist, the thing that helps with the noise. Yeah, so this is it. Now let's get the main camera itself. Like I said, I only purchased the body because I already have an extra I already have the kit lens, so I don't need to purchase a kit lens. So this one is going to be very handy for vlogging. It's very lightweight compared to this one. What? You guys see the difference? This is the Sony 6400. This camera is expensive. This camera is really expensive. This is also expensive, but this is really expensive. This is really, really good. This, you can really get some great professional shots with this one. I really, really like it. So I'm definitely going to keep this one. But this is going to be more of like vlogging. This is really, really, it's really light compared to this one. It's really, really light, and I really loved it. So yeah, this is it. I'm going to, let me put the battery. Let me see. I don't know if the battery is charged, but I already have a extra charger for this. I have 2 extra batteries. So let me remove the memory card from this one. Let me put it in here and see how it's going to. So I'm going to like set this one up. I'm going to go to YouTube, look for videos on how to set it up, because like I said, I'm also not a tech girl. So let me put the kit lens that I already have. Let me connect it here. Wow. Yes. So you see, this is really handy. So vlogging is going to be much more easier when you want to vlog with this one. It's much more easier. I think the battery is dead. So, and also what I like about this one, you have a microphone. So if you can install your own microphone, it's going to be much more easy. So this is what the camera is looking like. It's really, really beautiful. I really like power bank. My batteries, I already have 1 battery in here. So I have 2 batteries as backup. So I'm going to see, because this battery that came with the camera is not charged. I'm going to see if they all, I'm sure, yeah. I'm sure they all use the same batteries. Wow. Yes, yes. So you see, the one that came with the camera was not charged. So I'm going through the setting, just English, date. I'm going to go through the setting quickly, and oh, okay. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm filming with my phone, and I'm also having the camera. I just do English. I didn't go through any of the settings. This is just me putting the camera on. This is what is on it. So I'm going to show you what the quality is looking like. I have a ring light on. I have my room light on. I have the window open. Of course, I still have the curtain. So I'm going to film also with this. I haven't done any setting yet, so you guys can see. So I'm just going to go on YouTube. I'm going to look for ways to set up this camera and just play around with the settings, see what works for me. And I like it. I feel like this is a keep. Compared to this one compared to this one, this is way, way lighter. This is extremely heavy. This is heavy. Traveling with this one, is extremely heavy, and so therefore I'm going to be leaving this one at home. I can actually also put this lens on this camera. I can switch off the lens and put it here if I want to film with this one as well. And I love it. I Loved it, guys. I loved it. So the accessories, I have now 3 batteries that I can use, and this is my battery charger case. This is amazing. It's amazing. When if I want to film, I charge this in the night. In the morning it's charged. When the battery is full charge, you can film the whole day with it, and that's one thing I love about it. So now I have 3 batteries. I have 3 backup. And yeah, I have a microphone. I'm going to fix my microphone here. I already picked up this little setting you do where it also allows you to put, where is this thing? This noise filter thing. It allows you to put it, and it also allows you to fix a mic on top of it. I already purchased it. It's downstairs. That's how serious I was. So yeah, Team Fullest, this is it.